What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP, and this is your morning market wake-up call for Wednesday, August 19th, 2020. We've had some major moves on the markets. Let's go ahead and see where we're going to be starting today off at. Gold is back down under $2,000, currently at $1992.15. Silver is down a quarter at $27.51, giving us a ratio of 72.51. Platinum is down $10, currently at $955.46, and palladium is also down $10, currently at $22.49.75. In other metals markets, rhodium is up at that $12,000 mark. Copper has had some gains. It's currently at $2.97. Aluminum is up a penny at 79 cents, and uranium is steady at $32 a pound. We've seen some movement in crude oil. They were up most of yesterday, but they have started to retreat some. Those are going at $42.51 a barrel. I had a mixed day on Wall Street, but the gains that we saw on the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 pushed us above record highs. The Dow was down 66 points, though, closing out the day at 27,778.07. The NASDAQ was up 81 points at 11,210.84, and the S&P 500 was up 7 points at 3389.78. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, I apologize. Those are down significantly. We did see quite a retreat yesterday. Those are down at 11,008.47.58. And if you guys happen to be a fan of the goldback, those are currently trading at $331. In today's video, we're reviewing an article that comes to us from Niels Christensen of Kitco News. This one is entitled, Physical Gold and Silver Demand Remain Strong as Investors Sell Paper. While the paper gold market recently saw significant selling pressure, the physical market continues to see unprecedented demand in a tight marketplace, according to accredited physical dealers. Professional bullion dealers we've talked to in the past week say one of their biggest problems is keeping up with gold and silver inventory to meet demand for filling orders from retail customers. Some customers have sold a relatively small number of gold coins to take profits, but there have not been any reports of massive panic selling when the price recently fell, said Richard Reaver, president of the Professional Numismatists Guild, said in a press release. You guys know the word. In a press release Tuesday. For being a coin guy, I really should be able to say that word. Same thing with stamp collecting. Not philanthropist. The stamp collecting. Not only has the physical precious metals market seen a lack of panic selling, but Weaver said that the dealers are also seeing a shift in their customer base. For the first time in a long time, we're seeing buyers in their 20s and 30s entering the market for physical gold and silver, Weaver said. Looking at the latest sales data, so far this month, the U.S. Mint has sold 91,500 ounces in varieties denominations of the American Eagle gold bullion coins. So far this year, the U.S. Mint has sold 586,000 ounces of gold. Physical silver has also attracted significant investor attention in the past month. According to sales data, the U.S. Mint has sold nearly 2.6 million 1-ounce silver coins. Sales are at their highest level since March, when the Mint sold nearly 5.5 million silver coins. So far this year, the U.S. Mint has sold roughly 16.3 million American Eagle silver coins. While demand for physical bullion remains strong, the Professional Numismatists Guild continues to warn investors to only buy from accredited dealers. Know your dealer to avoid potential bullion scams, advised Weaver. Again, that was from Niels Christensen of Kitco News. So what do you guys think? Obviously, we've known for a while that this was a great investment. This is where you should be putting your money, is in physical gold and silver. But now we're having to compete with all sorts of new people coming in, and millennials are coming to ruin the show. I don't think they're going to ruin it. There's going to be room for everybody. It's just going to take time for the supply to catch up with demand. Now, what happens when supply catches up with demand? Unfortunately, you start to see prices come back down. But there's a lot of things that go into pricing in the gold and silver bullion market, so might not be that bad. Plus, it'll make it easier for us guys that have been doing it for a while to get back in it and start collecting again. As you guys have probably noticed, I don't show off as much bullion as I used to on my channel because I can't find it. I can't get it. It's too damn expensive right now. I'm not going to pay, $35, $40 for an ounce of silver because I need it. I don't need it. I've got enough right now. I feel comfortable with the level I'm at. I don't need any more. But I'd be interested to hear what you guys have to say on the topic. Let me know down in the comments below. Guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you. And if you happen to appreciate old IndieXP, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me right there so we can defeat the YouTube algorithms together. If you happen to be new to the independent experience and you want to keep up to date on all the latest and greatest content as it comes out, go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can stay on top of when these new videos are coming out. Speaking of new videos, this one right here is going to be the newest video. Go ahead and click it at the end of this video and you start catching up on all the back content right there. Guys, I've been IndieXP from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.